Here are a few screenshots illustrating how I edited the background image for my double page spread. The next few clips will illustrate how I pieced together my double page spread using InDesign. The first thing I've done was change the display performance of the piece to high quality, which allowed me to preview my work in the highest quality format. The first step I took was to draw a frame across the entire page, a frame that I would place my background image into. I then had to get my edited background image and then drag and drop it in place. I had to resize the image so that it fitted into the entire frame. Much like the resizing on Photoshop, I also had to hold down Shift as I resized the image. The original dimensions of the image were large, so it wouldn't stretch out of proportion. Also, as it was only used as the background image, it wouldn't matter too much if it were to stretch. Next, I drew a box using the rectangle tool to place over the background image, covering the bits of the image which I did not wish to use. I then changed its colour to white. I then drew another rectangle to place my image into. I then dragged the image in place and toyed around with it until it fitted appropriately. The next step was to draw a text box for the title of the article to be placed. I then scrolled through the fonts and chose the font I wished to use. I changed the size and colouring of the text accordingly, changing the colour of red to black to make the reader look twice. I then had to move the main image so that I could fit in a pull quote underneath the article title. The rest of the text in the article was placed using the same technique. The next step I took was drawing a line using the line tool underneath and above the program information at the top left hand corner of the page. The next step, identical to the rest of the steps used to input text, differs slightly. After changing the colour of the text, I added a different colour border to allow it to stand out more. And this is my final finished double page spread.